Hi guys, this is Simo Quilly, and I'm gonna walk you through my JavaScript project with Flatiron School. So I created a very simple app uh, to review New York City museums. As you can see here, I basically seeded a few museums there that I created that I would like users to review it, and also it's with a rating from 1 to 5 and to submit it. I'm utilizing Ruby on Rails to handle the backend for this application. So most of the CRUD actions are stored there. And also whenever we're making a fetch and a submit from our JavaScript, the front end, it will be saved into the database on the back end. That's gonna, Rails will handle that for us. As you can see, this is the path to that backend application. And so any museum review that we will be posting through our front end, it will be saved here if it saves correctly. So let's go through a couple of those to see how it works. So let's review the first museum here. I'm just going to leave it as the mat, give it 5 stars and submit that review. And there it is. So the first thing once submitting that review from the front end, basically JavaScript is fetching that path through the back end and posting the create action through the front end as well. And Rails is handling the posting of that request in the back end. And basically, what we're reviewing here is the index of those museums. And if we go to this path here, just to make sure that was created correctly, and we can see here that the review was posted into the backend and saved correctly into our database that is handled by Rails. So let's create another review. Let's do American Museum of Natural History. Let's give another 5 stars and submit that. Same thing here. And if we go back and take a look to make sure that JSON data that we are saving our reviews with, it's handled correctly by the backend. And then one other functionality in addition to indexing those reviews and also creating them is I added a delete button there. So just another feature to be able to delete it. So let's try to delete this museum here. And it's deleted correctly. If we go back here, try to review, that was the first ID here. Refresh, and it's gone. We'll do the same thing for this one. It's completely gone. There you go. That was my walkthrough through this very simple app. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm still working on styling it. The next step is to style it, just make it a little more user-friendly, and like the interface will be a little bit better, in addition to add like user capabilities to log in and log out. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and good luck.